Welcome back to another episode of Crane of the Day from Chan27. In this episode, we talk about the Mecprom MP110 EL6+E5+AD. The Mecprom MP110 EL6+E5+AD is a high-performance truck-mounted crane manufactured by a Turkish crane manufacturer. This powerful crane is engineered for heavy-duty lifting applications, combining advanced hydraulic technology with a robust structural design. It offers a maximum lifting capacity of 25,100 kilograms, supported by a strong hydraulic system, and a moment rating of 110 ton-meter. The crane is equipped with a 6-section telescopic boom system, marked as EL6, which delivers excellent reach and lifting flexibility. Enhanced with the E5 extension package, it offers even greater boom length and radius, allowing operators to manage lifts across longer spans, or tighter spaces with precision. This setup makes the MP110 versatile for a wide range of lifting applications. The MP110 is driven by a high-torque hydraulic system that powers all lifting and telescoping operations with smooth, precise control. The crane is mounted on a multi-axle truck chassis, which provides excellent mobility and stability on different types of terrain. This combination of reliable hydraulics and a strong carrier ensures the machine can operate effectively under challenging conditions. Additional features of the MP110 include an advanced operator control system, reinforced outriggers for maximum stability, and a modern safety package with load monitoring and protection devices. The AD configuration incorporates upgraded components for durability and all-weather operation, making this crane suitable for continuous use, day and night. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. See you next episode.